We really didn't know what to do. This was something extremely strange. Even if it had to be my imagination, how is that we both felt and experienced it? Welcome to SYWK podcast where no topic is off limits. There are several haunted places in India and especially in Goa. If you haven't checked out episode 33 where I narrated my friend's personal experience at the Demelos haunted house in Goa, please do and then come back to this one. So I have been looking for real stories that will give you chills instantly, and here is just another tale that will spook you right away. The story is submitted by a couple who lives in Mumbai, and like everyone else, even they visited Goa in December 2020. And since you have read the title NH17 Mumbai Goa Highway A Haunted Journey, this story is so far the best and horrifying since I got chills while I was reading it, and I'm happy to narrate it to you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And yeah, please, if you enjoy the story, like, share and subscribe, man. Come on, bugger. Why are you not subscribing, buggers? Please. My name is Varun and my wife's name is Sneha. We both live in Andheri, Mumbai, India. We got married in January 2020 and we had decided to go on a honeymoon by mid-February. But since you all know, due to the COVID situation, everything got cancelled. However, by the end of the year, everything started getting back to normal, and then like everyone, even we planned to visit Goa. So this happened on the 17th of December and we decided to drive down by road as we own a Maruti Suzuki Swift. It was just me and my wife and we left around 2 p.m. We decided to stop and check out the different spots on the way to Goa. So first we halted at an unknown waterfall, chilled for a while, and many more such beautiful locations. We had already planned to explore new scenic locations on the way, as my wife loves photography. We were having fun, but we never thought or imagined that the evening of 17 December 2020 was going to be the worst nightmare of our lives. So we stopped at around 12 am midnight for dinner at a small restaurant close to the NH17 Mumbai Goa highway. And then we decided to relax for a while and move ahead by 2 am. And that's when the horror started. I still remember that night. We were listening to the local radio station. Windows were down, the wind was blowing, Google Map was on, and a few heavy-duty vehicles on the road. I was driving at a speed between 80 to 100, and after a while, Google Maps suggested taking a right since it was showing 30 minutes faster. Normally I don't take the interior routes, but that night I don't know why I took that right. The minute I was on that road, it completely became dark because of no streetlights. Even the other vehicles were not around us. We were all alone on that stretch. I did find it strange since a few seconds before we could see the other vehicles, but now it was completely silent and dark. The only light on the road was from a car headlight. After a while, it started to get a bit cold. I rolled up my car windows, and since you guys know, we have a habit of stopping at different spots if we find it interesting. But on that road, firstly we could not see anything. It was just like trees and bushes on the left and right hand side of the road. I was driving a bit slow and then I noticed a small house at the corner of the road. Finally, I felt relieved. We continued to drive and it showed 20 minutes on the map to reach the main highway. I remember checking the time and it was around 2:30 am. We both were waiting to get out of this lonely road and get back on the highway. Now it was 3:15 am and it still showed 20 minutes. We were confused. Why is this stretch not ending? Then we assume that the map was not giving us a proper direction. So I decided to redirect the location, and that's when we got scared for the first time. It said that we were in the wrong direction. Now it was showing 1 hour to reach back to the main highway. I decided to speed up. We did not want to be there. We felt a bit weird. It started to get colder. We saw the same house at the corner of the road. I remember I had seen the same house before, but now we realized we were roaming in the same area. I increased my speed. We just wanted to get out, and then again we saw the same house. We found it strange. We got scared. Something was not right. We continued. I was on the speed of 120. The map showed 10 minutes, but we were not reaching. We kept reaching to the same house. My wife told me to stop, but I did not. She got scared and started screaming. She said, "Varun, stop. Why are we not reaching the highway?" I was confused myself, and then suddenly out of nowhere, a big buffalo came in front of our car. I tried to press the brakes as hard as I could, but I could not stop, and we banged and ran over it, which caused the windshield to crack. We immediately got down to see if the buffalo was alive and needed help, but that's when we got shocked. There was no buffalo. In fact, even my car windshield was intact. We clearly remember we hit the animal, and because of it, the car windshield had cracked, but now it felt like nothing had happened. It was not that we hit the animal and after 5 to 10 minutes we got out of the car. The minute we hit it, we immediately got out. If it had to run and hide, we could see it. I remember seeing the buffalo. How is it possible for an injured animal which is so big to run so fast? Moreover, we ran over it. Maybe it must have ran away, but what about the windshield? It felt like nothing had happened, not even a scratch on it. But we had physical injuries because of the broken glass pieces. We really didn't know what to do. This was something extremely strange. Even if it had to be my imagination, how is that we both felt and experienced it? The scratches were totally unexplainable. We figured out it was something mysterious. We rushed to the car and drove towards the highway. My wife started chanting her prayers. Driving ahead, we finally saw a signboard and vehicles followed. We were back on the highway. I don't know what happened to us that night. It was baffling. It felt like the road was haunted. We struggled on that stretch to reach the main highway. We could see the same house again and again. And the most confusing part, where did the buffalo go? We knew we hit it at a high speed. It had to be injured. It just can't run away so fast. We cannot explain the incident, but that's what happened to us on NH17 Mumbai-Goa highway. Back to the host Desmond. Guys, I don't know, but somewhat I believe what happened to Varun and Sneha. What are your thoughts on it? Please comment below or DM me on Instagram. I would like to know your feedback. I would also like to thank Varun and Sneha for sharing this horrifying story. If anyone has such amazing stories, please feel free to email me the details. My email ID is in the description. So thank you once again and see you guys next week. Welcome to SYWK podcast where the Welcome back to SYWK podcast where no topic is off limits. So there are several haunted. Welcome to SYWK podcast where no topic is off limits. That's why I don't know what I'm saying. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode and the bloopers as well. See, you can see yourself that it takes a lot of hard work in what I'm doing right now. But the thing is that a lot of people are not subscribing to my channel. So if you really want me to grow and really want me to get such more amazing content, I request you to come on man, just subscribe. It does not take anything. Subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thank you and peace out. अक्खियों से गोली मारे लड़का कमाल है, अक्खियों से गोली मारे.